Sometimes, trying to delete a comment on Instagram can be frustrating when the option just doesn't seem to work. There are several reasons this might happen. First, your app might be out of date. Newer versions fix bugs and keep everything running smoothly, so always check for updates. Another possibility is a temporary glitch or connection issue. A quick restart or refreshing your app can often solve the problem. Sometimes, the comment has already been removed by Instagram due to community guidelines, so it may just be a display error. If you keep experiencing issues, it could be because of restricted access or a temporary block from Instagram, especially if you've been very active recently. Remember, if you're managing multiple accounts or using third-party tools, these can interfere with normal functions. At Famety, we always recommend keeping your app updated and staying aware of Instagram's rules for the smoothest experience.